Welcome to Breakout EDU Mesozoic Era Labs. You are a group of scientists that have recently taken over Mesozoic Era Labs after Dr. Carter went missing. Mesozoic Era Labs is known for bringing dinosaurs back to life, but the lab's success is now in jeopardy without the doctor. Prove you can remain open and continue receiving financial support by solving the riddle sent to you by the Herculean group. For this breakout, you will need to reset the lock combinations. The 3-digit lock should be set to 1, 2, 5. The 4-digit lock to 5, 9, 9, 9. The directional multi-lock to right, left, up, down, down. And the ABC multi-lock to N, O, R, T, H. You will need to print the resources, all of which will be found in one document. And you will need to load 4 different documents onto your USB drive. These will be the medication sales receipt, medication administered daily, heart rate, and dinosaur height files. You will need to tape the species of dinosaur pictographs to the wall within the classroom. You will need to take the Herculean group grant and with your invisible marker, circle the question, amount spent on Dursduri daily. You will need to take both this grant and the letter to the scientist and place them inside an envelope. Address the envelope to the Mesozoic Era Labs and place on a desk in the classroom. You will need to take the secret document and on the back write, "My dear predecessor, please use the information included carefully." Take the secret card and the USB drive, place them inside an envelope, and write "Scientists" on the outside. For your field notes, you will have 6 different pictures of dinosaurs, a timeline of the Mesozoic era, and a cover called Field Notes of Dr. Boyd Carter. You will need to take all of these documents and connect them together with a string or a staple. Inside the small box, you are going to have 3 clue cards, a map with an equator drawn on it, a black light, and a key. All of these will be closed with the directional lock. Inside the large breakout box, you are going to put the 4 success posters, close the box and lock it with a hasp, and then lock the hasp with the word lock, the 3-digit lock, the 4-digit lock, and the locking key. For the directional lock, the students will need the field notes. On the cover, they should see the note that says this should lead you in the right direction to continue your research. This should be a hint that the field notes have to do with directions. Throughout the field notes, the students will notice there's a description about each dinosaur. In the description are the key words up, down, left, and right. If they take all of these, they'll be able to figure out the directional clues. There is one page within this document that might mess your students up. It is the Velociraptor. On this page, there is no directional word. If this will confuse your students, you can just delete this page. It is irrelevant to the rest of the game. Finally, after they have found the word on each of the documents, they can either randomly try putting the directions into the lock, or they can notice that each dinosaur is part of an era and put them in order. Once they put them in order, they will see that the combination is right, left, up, down, down. After the directional lock is open, they'll be able to open the small box, which includes the key. Also in the small box, the students found a map and 3 clues. Using the clues, the students will discover that they are only interested in the pictograph that has to do with the Jurassic era. They are going to be asked which continent has the most species of dinosaur during this period, and they will see that it is Asia. The final hint will ask them which direction they have to travel from the equator to get to this continent. they will say that they need to travel north, which is the word lock answer. To solve the 3-digit lock, the students will need to fill out the Herculean Group grant application. Most of the answers for this worksheet will be found on the USB drive in the different types of data. If you do not have a computer available for this breakout, you can just print these 4 documents and hide them throughout the room. After this form is completed, the students will be able to use the black light that they find inside the small breakout box. They will see that the answer to the question that is circled will be 1, 2, 5, and will open the 3-digit lock. For the 4-digit lock, the students will need the dinosaur weight calculations and the clue. The clue says mean, median, mode, and range are the keys to unlock this puzzle. The answer is in the discrepancies. Can you find the difference? The students will use these 2 documents to find the mean, median, mode, and range. The mean for both documents should be 330,451. The median for both documents should be 4,600, and the mode for both documents should be 4,600. None of these pieces of information actually matter. In the clue, it said the students were only interested in the discrepancies. When the students find the range, they will see that their calculations are different. For one set of dinosaurs, they will get the answer 164,991. For the other set, they will get the answer of 170,990. When they find the difference or subtract these 2 numbers, they will get 5,999. This is the answer to the 4-digit lock. After they've opened all these locks, they will be able to get the success posters out of the large breakout box. Hopefully your students enjoy this game and will be back to play another breakout soon.